Seal Tech, brought to you by Steel Rubber Products, helping restore the car of your dreams.
You know, when you get a new project vehicle and you start laying it out and planning what you're going to do to it, it's easy to plan the big stuff because that's what we're passionate about. Things like engines and paint jobs and interiors and wheels and tires. I mean, that's exciting stuff, whether you need it or not. But on the flip side of that is the stuff that pretty much every project is going to need. It's not so exciting. Things like wiring and plumbing and weather stripping. Yeah, not near as exciting, but extremely important. So today we're going to jump into weather stripping a little bit. Now, some people may think that weather stripping is just some rubber strips that aren't really that important. And if you ride a motorcycle or drive a dune buggy every day, well, that's probably the case. But if you drive a car or truck every day in all kinds of weather, well, having good weather stripping is really important, not only to you, but for the longevity of your vehicle. Take a look. This truck had leaky weather stripping around the windshield and the cowl. The result? A rusty rocker panel that now needs to be replaced. Bad weather stripping around the door could result in rusty patches around the seams. And these could be expensive and time-consuming to repair. Leaky seals around fuel tanks and trunks can allow gas fumes or carbon monoxide to get inside the car and ride along with you. And you know that's not good, especially if you smoke. And if you want to be able to keep the rain on the outside of the car or hear your stereo when you're driving, good door and window sills are a must. The good news is weather stripping is easy to diagnose and fix. On newer vehicles, if it's cracked or leaking or brittle or hard, replace it. If you're working on something that's over 10 years old, replace it. Don't think about it, just replace it, because believe me, it needs it. And it's a lot easier to replace weather stripping now than to fix rusty floors or panels later on.